why would I give the time where my mind is most effective? Why would I give that to people? So this is what we're going to move on to now. You train people, you teach your team habits. This is one of the key things I learned, bro. I used to hate it. I used to be like, why is it that I built a team that needs me? So it's me in the middle and everyone, let me know if you feel like this. Everyone on the team just what? Just comes to me. They need something, they come to me. They need something, they come to me. They need something, they come to me. Me. Who's getting all the chaos?
You.
Me. Everyone is coming to me. So how am I supposed to focus on the work that actually grows the business, that equals revenue? I can't, because I'm too busy being a slave to everybody in my company. And we think that's what leadership means, right? Yeah. I need to be the guy at the top that every single person on the line reports to. No, this is bad. So you limit accessibility to yourself. My team aren't allowed to talk to me. And I explain why here.
They just walk into my room, like office, there's no...
Don't, yeah, because you allowed it.
Yeah.
This is you. If you do not create a boundary, people will walk in your life like that. Everyone's gonna access you. Look, how do I learn how to talk to you? I could say anything to you. I could be like, bro, you're a weirdo. You have to set the boundary. Bro, don't speak to me like that. Come out, it's really important. It's really important. Adam, no, don't come into my office at this time. When you see the sign on the door, you're not welcome in my office. You understand? Now get out. You have to let them know. You have to create the boundaries. If you don't create boundaries, people will not, what?
Respect.
Because if you don't respect your own boundaries, how can anyone respect yours? So you must create your boundaries. So for me, in my team, this is how it is, right? Everyone knows 9 to 12, don't message me. I'm not responding. It's not really 9 to 12. It's really from Fajr time, right? After Fajr, Shuruq, Kada wa Kada. This is my period of deep work. This is where I slightly open myself up to my team now, where it's like 12 p.m. But even then, you have to ask yourself, they have to spend 3 minutes, a 3 rule. Okay? They have to spend 3 minutes thinking, if they can't solve something that they think they need to come to me, they have to spend 3 minutes asking themselves, what? How can I solve this?
Okay.
Then they have to go to 3 different people, and worst case scenario, if they have to come to me, no one could solve it, the 3 people couldn't solve it, and they have to come to me, then they have to add 3 possible solutions when they come to me.
Propose.
Yes, 3 proposals. Why do I solve this? It stops me, because everyone wants to push. We talked about decision fatigue, right? There's this concept known as what?
Decision fatigue.
So why is it that when everyone in my team is coming to me, what are they doing? They're adding to my decision fatigue. Should we do this or this? Should I do this or this? Should this? How about this? How about X or Y or Z? You're adding to my decision fatigue. Yeah. Now, you're making me make low leverage decisions, so I don't have the clarity or the focus to focus on high leverage decisions. So what do you do all day? You just social media. Yeah, because it's too much.
Yeah.
Naturally, we all need a break. We all need something to like get out of that sense of like frustration. Something that's like, at nighttime, that release. It's like when a man ejaculates. That's what social media is for some people. It's like, and we fall into doom scrolling on social media. Rather, what you want to do is clear the decision fatigue away. Think about it for 3 minutes. You still can't solve it. Then go to 3 different people. Still can't solve it. Then when you talk to me, give me 3 possible solutions. And bro, trust me, it almost will never get to this stage.
They'll solve it before.
Yeah. And even if it does get to that stage, then it's just easy.
Choose one.
Because I'm just like, yeah, do this one.
You're not going to come up with the 4th one. You just...
I don't have to... I don't have a headache. And also I would tell him why I chose that one. So I always tell my team the why. What do I mean by that? Not explaining yourself to your team, but in the event of me having to make a decision where I had no choice and I just had to make a decision, I'm gonna tell my team very clearly, this is why I made this decision. Why? That stops them from having to ask me that kind of thing again. It's eradicated. Now you learn. Now you understand.
The illah.
Exactly. You understand why I made, you understand the hikmah behind the decision I made, so you can use that hikmah. It's better for them to make a mistake, come to me and I fix it, than to teach them to come to me with everything. Because you're making yourself, you're creating a slave in your own what? In your own business. Listen, if you're a Muslim business owner making over 50K per month and you would like to make significantly more money while working significantly less, then alhamdulillah, this is what we get our clients to achieve.
with the Live by Design program, in which we allow you to live by design, as the name insinuates. We've been able to do this for a number of our clients, alhamdulillah. Ustad Imran ibn Mansour, Shams, Samina, all our clients, alhamdulillah, achieve a different realm of clarity and success and make significantly more money after working with us. Now, I'm not gonna work on your ads. I'm not gonna work on your marketing or your sales. I'm gonna work on you, because you are the highest leverage thing in your business. And if we can get you to where you need to be, then trust me, your business is just automatically gonna grow alongside with it. And like I mentioned, this is what we've been able to achieve to our clients. This isn't theory, it's fact. All our clients make significantly more money, all the way from 3 to 10x more money than they were making before they came and started working with us. So if you would like to increase your revenue and you are a Muslim business owner making at least 50K per month, then click the link in the bio and book a discovery call with myself.